So these four are your P-shaped parallels. I'm going to start with these two, just because they're what most people will want to learn, because these are just 6 movers and you should really know these. So yeah, they'll be at the end of the video. With these though, especially this one, I have an alternative algorithm to show. I'm going to show both the standard one as well. So here, notation should be on screen. We've got R prime U F, so we get like these 2 pairs coming out here, and then put this in, and then that. So that's your first one. So this one, there's 2 ways of doing it. The first is to do a similar algorithm to that and take this pair out and get the pairs like this, and etc. Well, but what I recommend is one that's very similar to this OLL, and I'm about equal speed with both. This one's slightly more risky, so you do need to bear that in mind. But you start by doing an S slice this way, so you get white here, and then take out this pair, sledge it in, and wide F prime to undo the S slice move at the start. And then this is inverse F inverse sexy move, so F and then U, that's your main one, and the other one's lefty, so I actually do it like this, FU, that's pretty much standard execution. So those last 2 are particularly fast, and also this S1, but it's just more risky. I've seen Zemdegs do it in like 0.3, which is fast even for it's fast regardless which OLL you're doing, and particularly one that's not seen as often, generally seen as more complicated. It's quite an impressive algorithm, this S slice. I might be able to find the footage and put it in, but that's going to take a while. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed watching. Please click the like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.